To commemorate the 81st death anniversary of the poet SOSO THAM, the KHASI Authors Society had organized a function at the St. Anthony's College Auditorium on the 18th of December 2021. The chief guest on the occasion was Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, METBAH LYNGDOH. Also present were President of the Society, Dr. DRL NONGLAIT, Vice President KD RAMSIEJ, Head of the KHASI Department NEHU, Dr. BADAPLIN, Vice Principal of the JAINTIA Eastern College KHLIEHRIAT, Dr. DAVIDSON DIENGDOH, General Secretary of the KHASI Authors Society RP KHARSHIING, family members of MYLLUNG SOSO THAM, student awardees, parents, besides others. As part of the program, 40 successful students who had appeared in the 2021 SSLC, HSSLC, ICSE and ISC examinations were felicitated by the Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly in the presence of parents and other invitees to the event. A collection of poems entitled Hakithap Nyang Kapor or On the Wings of Time, written by Professor Badaplin was also released on the same day.
Ini yo live dramas prince from LAUREATE. Ribasha LYNGDOH na school Shillong Memorial Government Higher Secondary School Nursery. Ini yo Daniel Sanpor Kriam Mujad na St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong. Ini yo live dramas Secondary School Shillong. Yo live dramas.
Speaking during the function, METBAH LYNGDOH expressed his appreciation towards the KHASI Authors Society in taking KHASI literature to different heights by promoting writers and authors of language and literature of the KHASI people. LYNGDOH also praised Meghalaya's poet laureate, SOSO THAM, for his foresight and vision of the society through the priceless gems of literary pieces found in his writings. A panel discussion on the topic Kakam Thokot Kijing E Bat Kilat Kilanti, or the challenges faced by writers and a solution thereof, was part of the second session of the program.
Ba ngi barok ngi ya burom ngi itu bat ngi ya tumau hado ini kisi bomenta ai lek pangya ka KHASI Authors Society ka ba delimba ka ni ka society ka bangi yo ya ka ban ya kendo une bat banlang kendo hak iwe ki por ki baladar ki bede na ka banta ka jai reu ka jogi kublai sibonia i kong badap na ka banta ka kot ka jompi ka ba ngalayolat ya ka ban pelan Hagen in step. Ni dang smok don ke gentleman namal NEHU gadang don ka department ka bade tandang bata KHASI. Ni smok men bawa kiwe ki college dang ya don ke sokia bat ke sokia ya ka ktin KHASI lejo. Nama ke juk ki pol menta kala Shillong maha ba kiba buon balang ban smo sarong ban keren yelang jo ngem smo don jin smurem lalang nang ban keren de tin KHASI pakar ndai ta normal KHASI tin KHASI sora ka ba de tin ka bangi keren ban KHASI ru lalang nang shu ya gani na tai ka ke ba susi balada ka tin kam don shu kata kata dulu